Alright, so this is going to be a demo of the Smith Corona Display 900 Dictionary Typewriter. It's a hybrid electronic and physical typewriter. When you type a line in, it puts the line here on this little LCD screen. If you misspell a word, it beeps. Whenever you hit return, it writes that line out onto the paper. The ribbon is old. It does function to some extent. It might be better if you had a new one. I'll show you what it does as is though. So let's go ahead and load some paper up. Let's see if I can do this to straighten it. Yeah, once you load your paper, if you need to straighten it, you can just push this and it'll release. And then you let go and it'll tighten again. So, this is an eBay. So it beeped because eBay is a misspelling. It doesn't know the word eBay, right? Typewriter test. Typewriter seems to work fine. You may need to replace the ribbon. They should be affordable on eBay, but I have, oops, didn't like that. I did, look, I hit word eraser just now and it erased that word. I had caps lock on. I have not checked. Beat probably means you're coming near the end of the line. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like. That's the, trying to get a good focus here. That's what I just typed. So as you can see, works fine. Good working typewriter. Pretty simple to use. There may be some way to add additional words to the dictionary. Like if I was going to be typing for some reason about eBay a lot, I could probably add that, but I don't know. I don't know how. Finally, for a demo, insert paper, depress code plus Z. Let's give that a shot. I have a piece of paper that I used once. I first tested it. So we're going to do this. Back it up a little bit, straighten her out. Okay. Then I'm going to do, let's see, it says code Z. Look, it's doing bold there. It's pretty crazy. It's almost like a really slow old school printer. A really slow daisy wheel printer. Okay, it's saying 75,000 word spell dictionary. Beep each time you misspell or incorrectly type a word. There's also some type of correction, word correction. I'll include this little piece of paper with it. Although this information will be in the book too, I'm sure. Okay, that's enough of that. So, Smith Corona, Display 900, Dictionary Typewriter. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye-bye.